Good morning, children. Welcome back to Sony Ma'am's class. As we are doing active passive voice, in previous videos we have covered the present tense simple, present simple, past simple, future simple, the structures with example. Today, let's continue the next part of the tense, how to transform into passive voice. Let's see. So, the next part of our tense is present continuous and past continuous. Let's see the structure of present continuous. Helping verb is MR, V1, ING. Now, let's see the structure of passive when we change it into. The helping verb will remain is MR according to the subject. For this ING, we add being and V3, then add by. Negative in the same manner, we add not for it. Let's come to the interrogative. In interrogative, WH, helping verb is MR, not V1, ING. Now in passive, the structure should remain same. WH is MR according to the subject. If it's negative, add not. Being for ING, V3 and by. Then if we are framing sentence with who, then we use only is. Okay, we do not add mr, m and r because the who is a singular subject considered, so we add only is helping verb is only, then v1, then ing. Okay, let's see the passive. In passive, there will be is mr because subject can be singular and plural. Then you can add not for negative, then being, then v3. We don't add here by because by will already be used here. Sorry, it should be by whom. Here we will add by and who will convert into whom. Okay, by mistake it has been written, no problem. Now further, let's see the structure of which. Which noun is mr, not v1, ing. Now in passive it will remain same, which will remain here only, and noun will be added after which because noun always remain along with which only. Okay, then is mr according to the subject, not ing converts into being, and v3. Now let's see quickly the examples. For present continuous simple sentence, she is singing a lovely song. So first of all, the steps what we follow, identify. She subject is helping verb, singing main verb, a lovely song object. So next step is to swipe. We'll swap. A song will be taken to subject. A lovely song we'll add is because it's singular. Third form of sing is sung. Add by. She changes into her. So a lovely song is sung by her. Let's see negative. The teacher is not calling a roll. Identify. The teacher subject is helping verb, not negative. Calling main verb ing1. A roll is object. So second step is swap. We'll pick up object as a subject here. A roll is not being. V3 called. Add by. Teacher, it will remain same because noun does not change. Now let's see the interrogative. When is he buying a new car? Okay, because it is interrogative, we should add question mark. Okay, now let's see the passive one. When is a new car being bought by him? Okay, now then let's see the structure of who example. Who is flying a kite? Identify. WH helping verb, flying, verb, a kite object. Again I'll remind you, here we don't add any subject. Why? Because it is a singular subject itself. Now let's see the passive. By whom is kite being flown? Now here no by, because we have added here only. Now let's see the which one. Which novel are you reading? Passive. Which novel, they will remain at the same place, is being read by you. Now here I may tell you, here we did not have any object, so that's why here also we do not have subject, and helping verb is added according to this noun. Now let's see quickly the next part of the tense, that is past continuous. Now in past continuous, helping verb was, were, V1 ing. Passive, again same it will remain, was, were. Here it is affirmative, so not, we do not require, sorry. We will add being for ing form, V3 by before the object. Now let's see the example. The doctor was examining the patient. Now identification, subject, helping verb, main verb, the patient, object. Now let's see the passive. The patient was being examined by the doctor. I hope so it is clear to you all. Now the same way, negative structure of past continuous. Was, were, not, V1 ing. Then interrogative, WH, was, were, not, V1 ing. Then if we use who, then there will be only was, then not, V1 ing. Then if we are using which, then we use noun after which. Okay, we cannot use which without noun. Sorry, it was left over. Which plus noun, then was, were, not, V1 ing. Let's see the passive structure of negative. Was, were, WH, sorry, was, were, according to subject, not, ing changes into being, V3 add by before object. Now who, as I told you, changes into by whom. Was, were according to the subject, not, being, V3. Here your structure completes. Then which, here again we have to use noun after which. Okay, noun I am adding, was, were, then not, then being, V3 by. Now let's quickly look towards the example. Now the first example we have done. Now negative example. He was not reading newspaper. Identification, you can do it now. Now after swapping, newspaper will be the subject. Newspaper was not being read by him. Interrogative, were you boiling eggs? Helping verb, subject, main verb, object. Okay, here there is no WH. This interrogative begins with helping verb. So passive will have the same structure. After swapping, eggs will be the subject. Were eggs being boiled, third form, add by, bring subject you here at the place of object. Now let's see of who. Who was teasing the child? Identification, WH, helping verb, main verb, object. We don't have subject with who. So for passive, who will change into by whom, then helping verb was, object the child will come here the subject, by whom was the child being teased, third form. Now which meeting were the students attending? Okay, now identification you can do it. Now then in passive voice, here should be this question mark should be there, sorry. Now after swapping, your meeting will become it will remain with which only, which meeting was being attended by the students. Okay, so like that we have covered up both the continuous tenses. Now here I may tell you that future continuous we do not have any passive structure. We'll continue in next. Till then we